75% of resumes are rejected automatically before a single recruiter ever reads them. And the tools that fix this? Up to €50 a month. Built for companies, not for students. So we built ClearScan, the transparent ATS resume scanner. Honest, specific, and built for people who actually need it. Here's how it works. Upload your resume, paste the job description, click Run. 3 steps, under 10 seconds. ClearScan runs 8 checks in seconds. Keywords, skills, bullet quality, and ATS compatibility across 5 major hiring platforms. Then you get the part nobody else shows you, your exact ATS score. Every missing keyword, how your resume performs across 5 hiring platforms, and specific fixes, not vague advice. All scored against real ONET data from the U.S. Department of Labor. Every bullet on your resume is scored across 5 dimensions. Not just what you did, but how you did it, where, and what impact it created. Anyone can generate a resume with AI. ClearScan checks if your experience actually proves your skills, or just lists them. Compare your resume against 3 different jobs at once. ClearScan shows you your match score for each, so you apply to the one where you actually have the best shot. While other tools charge 10 times more and hand you a vague number, ClearScan shows you exactly what's wrong and how to fix it. From just €3.99 a month. Stop guessing why your resume isn't getting responses. ClearScan tells you exactly. 2 free scans a month, no credit card needed. ClearScan.fyi